How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Thrustmaster T598 to your PS5. So before you go ahead and do this, it is highly recommended to update the firmware of the actual controller right here, or the wheel, because it will not work properly if you go ahead and use it straight off the get-go. So I suggest just simply search for your T598 controller, and from there you will be taken to this page on which you could simply select something like the actual firmware that you could go ahead and use. Now there's going to be an update instructions in order to do this, but let's go ahead and proceed on how we can install it onto our PS5. Now in here, I am inside the official documentation on how you can install it properly. So all you have to do is to go ahead and follow along. So obviously, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure to power on your PS5. This is going to be the exact instruction right here. From there, you want to connect the double jack or RJ12 cable to the RJ12 connector on the base and the race line pedal LTE. So what that means is just make sure that all of this are connected. So make sure to connect the wheel from the actual pedals. So it's going to be this one. And you want to connect the USB connection or the USB-A onto your PS5. So it's going to be this one. And of course, you also want to power your wheelbase. So you just want to plug it onto the wall outlet. So it's going to look something like this. Now, from there, after making sure that everything is connected, we just want to press the on button located at the back of the base itself. And press the PlayStation button on the connect to go ahead and connect the racing wheel to your profile. Now the base screen turns blue. This means that it's connected. You then want to press the mode button to select the PlayStation mode that is compatible with your game. So just go ahead and tap on this button right here. From there, you could use the up and down buttons to select PlayStation Mode 1, which is going to be blue, or PlayStation Mode 2, which is going to be red on your screen right here. Now, that's going to be it most likely. And then for some additional setting, you could press the button to confirm your selection that you have made right here. And from there, you are simply good to go. You are ready to go ahead and play your game. Once again, it's really important to update the firmware of your wheel and just select the compatibility of the actual wheel right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.